Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend and ready for another great week. Today I want to share a little video I've done a while ago, but one of my favorite, to make these little pockets for your journals, or you can decorate as a gift tags holders or gift card holders, anything you want to do. I have used the January VIP kits. I love them. They're very, very sparkly. I hope you guys like them. Keep watching and I'll see you very soon. Oh my god, happy Monday. It's been a long time since we are doing a very chatty video. Looking forward to this year. I got lots of tutorials, lots of projects lined up and wrote down on my little sheets of projects that I want to do and share with you guys. And also a lot of short videos that I'm going to make. So yeah, oh, so excited for 2023. Also this year is the 4th year on YouTube, so we're gonna have the 4th birthday in April, which is near my birthday, and also it's the channel's birthday, so we're going to do something special for that. But today I'm going to be sharing some projects I have made using the VIP kit for January. What is the VIP kit? So it's the first time you watch any of my videos, welcome. Or if you're used to me now, welcome back. The VIP is a subscription offer that I offer on my YouTube. When you sign up, you just pay once, and from the month you join included, you get 12 kits, actually 24 kits, 2 kits a month. So you will get a large kit and a mini kit delivered straight to your email address in the beginning of the month. So the 1st of January, the 1st of February, the 1st of March, and so on. You get 2 kits straight to your email address. And those kits have been designed specifically for the VIP members. So they're not available on the website for everybody to purchase. It's a little perk. You also get a 20% nominated discount code that you can use from the day that you join for 12 months. You can use the 20% off anything on my website, anything, anytime, including sales, including everything. And you also get an offer every month that's specifically designed for the VIP members. Could be a free kit, could be a kit half price, could be 3 for 2, could be anything. So lots of perks for the price or less than a coffee a month. So yes, very, very worth it. So before I show you what I'm what I'm making today, I will be showing you the kit first. The 2 kits actually. One is called Diamonds Are Girl's Best Friend and Gays, I need to add, because I do like diamonds. Hope you made you smile. Yeah, Diamonds Are Girls Best Friends. And also the second kit is called Opulent Angels. So they're about angels. Watch the kits, guys, and I'll see you back in here. Okay, so let me show you the kits first. So the first one is the larger kit and the second one is the mini. Okay, so the larger one, it's got quite a lot of pages. So you've got one page with the tags. Look at that. So you got the same sort of pattern with different backgrounds and the different color gems. This is probably my favorite one. And guess why it's called Diamonds Are Girls' Best Friends? Oh well, they are. And not just girls, I must admit. Oh, guilty. Yeah, I do like diamonds. I do like gems. Yeah, love them. Then there is this page when I just create a little embellishment for your cards or journals or whatever you want to create with those. So it's very high definition. So you got all this beautiful sequins. Then this is probably my favorite page of the kit, or one of them. So you've got 4 different backgrounds with 4 different sequins. So you got gold, this lovely baby blue. It's not teal, it's in between teal and blue, but it's more blue than teal. So some of these are teal. I don't know if you can see, yeah. And then it's very deep navy blue and of course red. Then a page with all different diamonds. A full background of different gems and gold diamonds. I love that. Love them. A full page of purple and deep purple sequins, and I enhanced the sparkler with some white. Hope you can see them. This is another one of my favorites. So you've got a really nice turquoise background with all the different gems. And then what I did, guys, I just put them into 4 different cards. So they're perfect cards backgrounds, or if you can make like vintage cards, or you can cut them into tags. You can do anything you want. And this is my favorite page with it butterfly. So it's blue butterflies there, and then there is a bit of a green. It looks black, but it's more like it's in between grey and blue. It looks black, I guess, on camera, or what I can see, it looks black, but it's not. And then you've got these beautiful butterflies and a lot of gems. Love it, love it. One more page with full of tags, like scallop tags with gold sequins. And one more page of tags, blue tags with the gems. They're just ready for you guys, so you just need to fussy cut them and decorate them, or you can just leave them like that. And then the last page is this one here, when you got a little embellishment, so you can cut these flowers and create your own flowers. This is a bow, so that is the 2 tails, and that is the 2, what you call them, thingy, or the bow, and that goes in the middle. And then some tabs. So if you make like a gold sequin journal, that's amazing. And some balloons. And that's it. So that's kit number 1. And then kit number 2 is this one. So you've got 4 pages. So all my minis have 4 pages. So, and this is not available on the website. This is purely for the VIP members. And this, of course, those 2 are. So that's got a floral background, and then, so they, do you know, if you do handmade books, or not books, this will look amazing, because look how pretty, or as a book cover or journal cover, that looks nice. This one here with a muse, angel, and Cupid with his little friend. And then what I thought, guys, I gave you a page with small embellishment, black and white, so they can go with everything, and you just fussy cut it, so you can use this as little decorations, or you can make cards or tags. And then slightly bigger version if you do like bigger projects. So this is amazing, like for Valentine's, for example. And I love this one. Okay, I made a video already on how to make those pockets. It's basically a sheet of A4. This is print on a single sheet, and so you get the white, and this one is printed on double side, so you get the 2 print. So you print a double side. It's basically a tutorial, and I will put the link down below and also at the end of the video, so watch till the end, so it takes you straight there. So with 1 sheet of A4 you get this little fabulous floating pocket. When you get 1 pocket here, 1 pocket here, 1 pocket here, and of course if you glue this on a page, you will get the other pocket in there. If you keep as an outstanding pocket, like floating pocket, it's 3. So there's 1 in there, 1 in there, and 1 in the back. Okay, so again, I'm not going to do it because I already done it, but what I want to show you, because I love this kit, it's very, very bright, there's a lot of diamonds. I've got this is an eBay bargain, Stampin' Up, check eBay. I've got this for, I think it was £10. For £10 including shipping, I got the stamps and the dice. Bargain. And also this came a few days ago. I've got this one here, £4.50. I repeat it loudly, £4.50. I got this set and the dice. Bargain. So check eBay for Stampin' Up, because a lot of demonstrators sell them retire stamps and dies. So this is called so eclectic. You get these lovely stamps, and you get the die. So I've got the diamond here, hence why I use it today. There is a heart-shaped diamond, and there is this one, and I'm going to share. I had to play today, but I will do a separate videos. I made some cards as well using, look at the diamond. So that's the sequence background, but I'll show you in a separate video. So what I thought we'd do, we're going to decorate these pockets. So I've got here, this is probably my number one favorite dies from Stepping Up. If you watch, if I can speak, my videos religiously, you know that this is my number one favorite die, and I use it in every single project that I can. So I first die cut two, one in silver and one in it's like a rose gold, because I thought they look quite nice together. Because in here there is a rose gold diamond on the back, and in here is all about silver, blue and green. So we're gonna do that there. And then I have die cut, this is another Stampin' Up. This is part of the, what's it called? Holy, Boats of Holy, something like that. Anyway, so it's the dies, and you get this one, and you get cuts like that, so you can put the ribbon through. Love that. So, and I got two of those. And then I've got, so yeah, I already done the diamonds, so I've done two types. The one with the silver on the top and the pink on the background. I'm gonna show you if I can pick them up. So that's the silvery background, that's the rose gold background. So we're gonna do one of each in there. And also I thought we're going to use the flowers that we made last week. So I'm going to use that there and down here, because it is a bit of purple. Because at the end of the day, we make things, we got to use them. And then I thought we use this blue ribbon here, and this turquoise / teal ribbon in here. Unfortunately, I don't have any pink ribbon. The only pink ribbon, where is my bag of... So this is my very organized ribbon bag. I got lilac, which it won't go, and I used to have a pink ribbon, and I don't know where it's gone. I think I used them all. I used it all completely. I got that, but it's too thick. So yeah, no, there's not. I checked it twice. So yeah, so blue would do. So right, I'm going to speed it up a bit, and I'll be right back. Okay, done. So this is one. I love how it shines. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I just put some embellishment there. So I have used some of these gems in pink and green, and then I have my giant sequins, because we can, you know, if you have faceted gems, you can literally go in extremely mental and over decorate these pockets. This is what I was trying to do. I want them to be like a proper jeweled. Imagine if you do like a jewel journal with every page has got a different gem, or I think it will look really nice. Or even if you use this glittery paper, or shiny paper, I think it will look really nice. But I'm very, very happy with the result, and I think the flowers work really well. And then I just got one fussy cat, but you can, you can put your tags or anything that you want in the pockets. So this one, and then the back is completely, I use one of the other paper just to line it, make sure it's completely finished. It's still a bit wet, hence why the sequins are, but I think the gems and the sequins work really well. And that is the blue one there. Love it. And it sparkle. I love it because it sparkle. Everything sparkles. Oh, I love I think the flowers really, really made it. And I wasn't really sure about the contrast with the pink and the blue, but then because there is, it's weird because there is a bit of green in there, so I have used some of the green embellishment and the purple just to make it blend it all together. What do you guys think? I hope you like it. Just some ideas again to use this very sparkly kit. It's something very unusual. I've not seen it for a while, hence why I decided to design this kit for the VIP members. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will put the link here somewhere on the screen of the tutorial I did a while ago when I shared how to construct these pockets. Very, very, very simple, easy steps, couple of minutes. You can fold them, make them in advance, keep them in your craft room and use them wherever you like. Guys, thank you ever so much for watching, and until next Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.